So we're going to go over my top lip products of the summer of 2023. So basically all the products we're going over, since it is updated, is obviously more newer products that have come out this year and are still in stock, thankfully. What I'm wearing right now, which I'll show you first because I actually just got this in today, and it's actually going to replace my daily lip product because it is a stain. This has gone viral on TikTok. So this is the Palladio lip stain, and it's in their darkest shade, which is, I don't know, but I'll link it below. But it's just a really pretty berry shade. It's basically a marker that just tints your lip, and this is the most natural, pretty, oh my gosh, color. It makes your teeth look white because it has a blue undertone. Everyday wear. Oh my gosh, this just replaced my everyday go-to. So, first one. Okay, so the next one I actually have been using the past couple months. I actually did a Instagram story on this product because these have been blowing up all over TikTok also, and specifically this one shade. So this is the Fenty Beauty, what is it called? A Poutsicle lip stain, and this is in the shade Fuchsia Wife. So it's obviously in limited edition packaging. I'm assuming this isn't going to stay out long since it is new packaging. There's only 2 shades of this kind. So, but if you can see, it's also a very deep berry shade, kind of blue undertone also. The stain is amazing on these. This is a very vibrant shade for every day, but this stuff lasts you all day, no drying. It feels really good on the lips even if you don't wipe this off. I always recommend wiping off a stain, not leaving it, because if you touch anything, it will stain. So, but this is definitely a win. Okay, so what I've been wearing the whole past year, I finally gave up. I didn't give up, but I've been loving the MAC Whirl Lip Liner. It's been big for years, ever since I've been in middle school basically. I'm like sick of using the same lip liner since. And I kind of want something a little different, a little more vibrant. And I switched to the Tilbury lip liner. And I wonder if I can figure out what this is. An MI Kiss. So it's more of a berry shade also. If you can notice, I like deeper shades. But this is the most perfect, deeper toned lip liner. I'm not a huge fan of Pillow Talk. I think it's too nude for me, and I just need color in my face because that's just what looks good on me. So if you really love their formula, Tilbury, this is an awesome lip liner to try out. Just watch in the store and see if you like it, but also doesn't make your teeth look yellow, anything like that. Let's get into lip glosses. I have 3 here, and I've got several people hooked on this one lip gloss, and I'll do it last just because it's so exciting. And everyone's kind of heard of it, but it's never really blown up to the extent it should, honestly. And I have got people hooked on it, like friends I really do know. So let's do the ones that are, I'll do that one last. But this one is the Lawless Forget the Filler lip gloss. I have this shade in Cherry Vanilla. Just this formula in general is really pretty. It gives you a very just plump looking feeling look. It's not too tingling, anything like that. It just looks very like juicy kinda, not shimmery, nothing like that. And I just love this color. It's like a cherry candy shade, and that's what I love about it. So if you want that summer, like I just ate strawberries or, you know, berries on your lip, this is so pretty. So, and there's no weird scent. None of these have weird scents either because I can't stand it. It is, though, I will admit, there's not much in this packaging that they have, and that's their biggest complaint, is you get very little product for the price. So it's kind of like, do you want the shade or you want to pay? You know, it's up to you guys, but it is, I like it. Okay, number 2, this one came famous during the winter just because, I don't actually know why, but just the shades they came out were gorgeous. And this is the Hourglass. Let's actually see this. Hourglass, I'm not sure what it's called. I'm gonna put it below right here. But it is in the shade Entice 145. And I actually have this in another shade too, but this is my favorite shade because it's like another berry shade. And it's kind of sheer. So this is more like a gloss slash lip topper, or like if you want a really natural tint to your lips. This is it. This shade is very bright, so a lot of people probably wouldn't like this, but they have so many amazing shades. They look amazing. They've gone viral all over on TikTok. They get sold out every month, so I say try it. They are expensive. Not a ton of product in these. I heard a lot of people run out of these, so I'm using them very sparingly. This one does have like a little filler, like plumping effect. I don't know, it's ain't crazy pumping, it just kind of has a cooling effect. So if you don't like that, there you go. Alright, to my total favorite lip gloss, I have like 7 of these, including their tinted ones. The clear is the best of all of them, to be honest. I've gotten so many people hooked on this. And shocker, this is the GrandeLIPS lip gloss. So this is in Hydrating Lip Plumper. They have other lip glosses, but specifically this lip gloss, and they have some other shades in this packaging. Honestly, the applicator is god-awful. It's one of those things where you have to push it to get it out and hope to God it comes out, or it either comes out like a ton. There's no really other way. I wish they changed their packaging, but it is so, this is like liquid gold. I'm wearing it on my lips right now. The clear one, since it does have a lot of plumping, it actually gives a really pretty plump, like it actually does something. It's not painful, nothing like that. It has a great scent like peppermint. And it actually kind of tints, it darkens your lip a little bit naturally. I don't know if it's because of the plumping, but it does give a slightly darker tone to your lips. That's how I found out about this, is a girl on TikTok who promotes them, but just started promoting them because she went viral because she would put this on and everyone was like, what is that? And it was because of the lip gloss. So, and now I'm hooked on it. It's hydrating. It does not dry out your lips. It's the only lip gloss I found that does not dry out your lips, and it's like a chapstick. So I can wear it whenever I want. So, and I used to hate lip gloss, so every single day, this is my go-to. All right, those are all my updated lip products for the summer. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.